Hi, Saurabh. Talking about earnings and the shift from unorganized to organized, one of those themes with the footwear space, and you've been quite vocal about Relaxo. Are they disappointed in the past quarter, but the story still looks strong according to you?
So I think we were quite happy with what they have done. We've been very strong proponents to them and to all our investee companies that, look, this is the time to go for the jugular, folks. We keep telling our investee companies, when input costs rise, if you're able to cut prices, and if you don't push through price hikes when input costs are rising, you by definition will kill the informal sector. So our plea, our request to all our investee companies is use this context, use this time of rising input costs. Don't hike your prices, take a margin hit and kill the competition, because this is the best kind I have seen in India of going after the informal sector. In footwear, I would say 70-80% of the sector is informal, and therefore we are delighted with what the Relaxo management has done, is doing to kill the competition. 2 quarters, 3 quarters, 4 quarters of operating margin hits, we don't have a problem with, provided they gain market share aggressively and they basically clean out the informal end of the footwear sector.
All right, Saurabh, we'll have to leave it at that. Bit of a scratchy line there, but we got your gist. Thanks a lot for joining in. And with that, it's a wrap. But guess what? Next week, we're coming back and there's another holiday. Who's excited? Come on.
The final truncated week of this year.
Final truncated week of this year. And what are the big weekend plans?
I'll be watching Brahmastra, which is releasing on OTT. So I missed it.
None of you is watching after all that discussion. The Fed.
I watched it live. I don't want to put myself to that.
There's lot better things to do over the weekend, I'm sure.
And there's a lot of sporting action, by the way. The T20 World Cup. There's a nice, great tennis tournament going on in Paris.
I think the finals are today, right? The tennis one?
No, today's the semi-finals, but finals, quarters, semis, and Sunday's the final. Yeah.
Okay, so lots of things to do over the weekend, but we'll be back bright and early on Monday morning. Until then, stay safe.